Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to install the base graphics for the giant outdoor banner display. So first thing you want to do is identify the clips. So the attaching clips come with the giant outdoor banner display. So to install the clip, you're going to use 4 clips per graphic, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So first thing you're going to do is attach the round piece of the clip around the pole. And you're going to start at the top and then work your way down. So I'm going to attach my first clip on the top and then turn the clip towards the inside. And I'm going to attach the next one at the same height on the second pole. And then I'm going to attach my 2 bottom clips. Now that I have the clips to my first graphic attached, I'm just going to keep repeating these steps. So for the next graphic, I'm going to attach the clip below the top one. And then do the same for the other side. So on the display, my front and back clips will be at the same height, and my side clips will be at the same height. So you're just going to repeat this pattern for the rest of the clips. Now that I have all my clips attached, the next thing I'm going to do is start connecting the Coro. So to connect the Coro, you're just going to slide one side of the Coro into the clips. So I'm just going to slide it into the clips. And then I'm going to swing out the opposing clips. And I'm just going to gently press on my Coro and attach the clips. So I'm going to repeat these steps for the other signs. And it's just that easy to install the base graphics into the giant outdoor banner display.